In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join channel in Slack. We'll keep this simple and straightforward. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Slack and press Enter. From the results, click the official Slack website to open the Slack client in your browser. If your workspace login is prompted, sign in so you land on your Slack workspace view. Once you're in, focus on the left sidebar where your conversations live. Look for the section labeled Channels. To the right of that label, you'll see a small three-dot icon, which opens more options for channels. Click those three dots. A menu will appear with a few management choices. Select Manage, and then choose Browse Channels. This takes you to the channel directory for your workspace. Here in the directory, you can see all the channels available to you. You'll find public channels that anyone in the workspace can join, and you'll also see channels you've been invited to but haven't joined yet. This page is helpful when you're new to a team or when you want to discover conversations by topic, department, or project. Take a moment to scan the list to find what's relevant to you. If a channel name includes a topic you recognize or you see an invite badge, that's a good sign you're in the right place. Next, hover your cursor over the channel you haven't joined yet. When you do, a Join button will appear on the right side of that channel's row. Click Join. For open channels, you'll be added immediately. If the channel is private and you already have an invitation, joining will go through right away. If approval is needed and you don't have an active invite, you may see an access request prompt. In that case, just wait for a channel member or admin to approve you. Once you've joined, click Open in Home. This instantly switches your main view to the channel you just joined so you can get oriented. From here, you can read recent messages, check the channel topic and description at the top to confirm the purpose, and start participating when you're ready. You'll also notice the channel now appears in your sidebar for quick access going forward. That's it. By browsing channels, joining the ones that matter, and opening them in your home view, you'll stay connected to the right conversations without missing important updates. Repeat these steps whenever you need to discover and join more channels in your Slack workspace.